Are you tired of struggling to see into tight spaces or hard to reach areas? Well, today I've got you covered with a lineup of the top 5 inspection cameras that will revolutionize the way you approach inspections. From wireless wonders to standalone powerhouses, these cameras offer exceptional functionality and ease of use. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Depstick Wireless Ultra-Thin Inspection Camera. The Depstick Wireless Endoscope is a versatile and user-friendly inspection camera that allows you to explore hard-to-reach areas with ease. With its 5.5mm ultra-thin design, this camera can access tight spaces effortlessly. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi signal that allows you to connect it to your smartphone or tablet, turning your device into a handy display screen. This inspection camera is high-definition image quality. Equipped with a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures crisp and clear images and videos. You can adjust the brightness and LED intensity to ensure optimal visibility in various environments. The camera's semi-rigid cable is flexible yet sturdy, enabling it to hold its shape and reach deep into pipes, vents, and other narrow spaces. Here are some pros. Ultra-thin design for easy access to tight spaces. High-definition image and video quality. Adjustable brightness and LED intensity. Semi-rigid cable for flexible maneuverability. Cons. The cable is not very long, so it may not be suitable for all applications. Number 2. Oiwak Inspection Camera. The Oiwak Industrial Endoscope is a reliable and efficient inspection camera that simplifies your inspection tasks. It features a 4.3-inch color LCD screen, eliminating the need for additional devices like smartphones or tablets for display. This makes it extremely convenient and user-friendly, especially for those who prefer a standalone solution. With a diameter of 5.5mm, the camera can easily navigate through narrow gaps and provide a clear view of the inspection area. The 6 adjustable LED lights ensure sufficient illumination for dark environments, enhancing visibility during inspections. The semi-rigid cable is flexible yet firm, allowing you to maneuver it effortlessly. Here are some pros. Integrated 4.3-inch color LCD screen for standalone use. Versatile 5.5mm camera diameter. Adjustable LED lights for optimal illumination. Flexible yet sturdy semi-rigid cable. Cons. The image quality is not as good as some other models. Number 3. Depstick Industrial 1080p HD Digital Borescope Inspection Camera. The Depstick Industrial Endoscope is a powerful inspection camera designed for professional use. It boasts a 5.0-megapixel Full HD camera, delivering high-quality images and videos with exceptional clarity. Whether you're inspecting pipes, automotive engines, or mechanical equipment, this camera provides a detailed and accurate view of the internal components. The 4.5-meter-long cable offers excellent reach and flexibility, enabling you to access deep and confined spaces. Its semi-rigid nature allows it to maintain its shape, making it ideal for intricate inspections. The built-in 6 adjustable LED lights ensure optimal brightness in any environment, providing clear visuals even in dimly lit areas. Here are some pros. High-resolution 5.0MP camera for detailed inspections. Long and flexible cable for deep and confined spaces. Adjustable LED lights for enhanced visibility. Durable and robust design for professional use. Cons. The battery life is not very long. Number 4. Teslong Industrial Inspection Camera. The Teslong Industrial Endoscope is a feature-packed inspection camera that simplifies your inspection tasks. It comes with a large 4.5-inch IPS display, providing a clear and vibrant view of the inspection area. The high-resolution display ensures that you don't miss any details during your inspections. Equipped with a 5.0-megapixel camera, this endoscope delivers sharp and vivid images, allowing for accurate assessments. The long semi-rigid cable offers excellent flexibility, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The adjustable LED lights provide ample illumination, ensuring visibility in dark or hard-to-reach areas. Here are some pros. Large and high-resolution IPS display. 5.0MP camera for sharp and vivid images. Long and flexible cable for versatile use. Adjustable LED lights for improved visibility. Cons. The image quality is not as good in low light conditions. Number 5. Depstick Triple Lens Inspection Camera. This inspection camera is a reliable and durable tool for your inspection needs. It features a 16.5-foot-long semi-rigid cable, allowing you to reach deep into various applications. Whether you're inspecting drains, HVAC systems, or even engines, this camera offers the flexibility and maneuverability required for the job. The 2.0 megapixel camera captures clear images and videos, ensuring accurate assessments of the inspection area. The adjustable LED lights provide sufficient brightness for optimal visibility, even in dark environments. With its ergonomic design and user-friendly controls, this inspection camera is comfortable to hold and operate. Here are some pros. Long and flexible semi-rigid cable for versatile applications. 2.0 MP camera for clear and accurate visuals. Adjustable LED lights for enhanced visibility. Ergonomic and user-friendly design. Cons. The cable is not very flexible, so it can be difficult to maneuver in tight spaces.